Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to unlock phone number on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments, watch the video to the end. Let's get started. To do that, you need to go to Settings. Scroll down to the bottom. Open the Phone tab. Here, we'll find you blocked contacts. And here you can see all the contacts that we've ever blocked. And if we want to unblock someone, we swipe and we swipe and we unblock. And then we could unblock that person. Or we could tap unblock again and unblock them. If you liked this video and you were able to watch it till the end, be sure to write in the comments whether you succeeded or not. I will respond to everyone. I will help. Be sure to put likes. Write comments. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.